Your Learning Link course comes with a variety of assignable content that is expertly developed by Oxford University Press and the textbook authors using the most up-to-date pedagogy. While we make every effort to provide you with assignments that will be useful and beneficial to your students, we also understand that you may want to incorporate your own custom assignments into your Learning Link course. In order to create a new quiz in your Learning Link course, log in to oup.instructure.com. If you have only one course, you will enter straight into that course. Otherwise, select your Oxford Learning Link course from your homepage or from the courses list. Select Assignments from the left-hand submenu and click the Plus Assignment button on the upper right corner. A new window will open where you can add all necessary details for your new assignment. You will name your assignment, provide assignment details, link out to supporting documentation, assign a point value, assign the assignment to a group, choose how you would like the assignment grade to be displayed, choose whether you would like the assignment to count toward a final grade, select the submission type, set allowed attempts, require peer reviews, and choose when the assignment is available and to whom. After creating your assignment, click the Save and Publish button in the bottom right corner of the window. You will be redirected to the assignment. You can now navigate back to the full list of assignments or to any other area of the course using the submenu on the left.